I have been thinking about this color palette since I woke up this morning, so I wanted to give it a try. It's going to be greens and pinks. Let's paint. All right, so here is my concept. When I do these kind of diptych type canvases, two canvases, a lot of times I will do, when it's split base, I'll do it like this, or like this, or like this, and then I'll do lines. This time, I'm wondering, what if I just do it like a puddle in each and blow it up and just kind of see if that makes any difference? So I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do the green down here. This is a green that I made of a bunch of different colors. Oh boy. And I can't even tell you, I dumped a bunch of colors in here. It was like turquoise green, middle green. It was a little bit of black, a little bit of phthalo green. Whatever I had left over, I dumped in there. And then this is Venetian rose with a little bit of red purple in there. And I just think the color combination is going to be so pretty. Ooh, I hope I have enough of the Venetian rose. We will see. All right, I'm going to give this a torch and then I'm going to blow it out. Okay, now I don't know if I want to layer these the exact same way. I think I am. I think I'm going to start with, I wish I had started so that it would be in that green, but oh well. So I have a little bit of a red purple. I'm gonna do the blue. This is sky blue light. Gonna do, this is turquoise blue. And I feel like maybe I want that pink to be front and center. I think I'm gonna finish it off. That pink and that turquoise blue, not quite sure about how that's gonna turn out. But I'm gonna do my gold just kind of through here. Not today, Drip, not today. Okay, that part's pretty good. Now, I do feel like I maybe want a little bit of white. Let me grab. All right. Tiniest little drizzles of white. Don't know if it's gonna work out. I am interested to see with this doing puddles instead of the lines here. So let's find out together. Y'all, first off, I love the colors that are in the center. They mix together so well. I am so glad I added that tiny little bit of white to it. I I'm very happy. I am very happy. And you know what? I don't think I'm going to add too many wispies to this. I think I should just soften my edges and just kind of let this one be. And I don't even really have that many edges to soften here. This color combination is like a spring garden. I love it. I love it. I didn't love that, but oh my goodness. All right, y'all. I said I'm not going to add too many wispies. Now I'm adding all these wispies. This part right here. Y'all, the floral, the puddle, I can't even talk. The puddle blowout on this is so cool. It was enough of a shape that I could blend the two-tone line. All right, I could talk about this for much longer, but I will show you. All right, y'all, fingers crossed that these dry well. I was so worried about that turquoise green, and it made this beautiful, or the turquoise blue. It made this beautiful purple color. The dark green, I think, is going to dry really great. I am very, very happy. Here is this one. And I love the center blowout. The center puddle blowout on this. I normally do lines. Oh, let's see how they dry. I'm very happy. Yay! All right, I'll show you. This is very, very pretty to me. Now, I will say the pink is very pink and very vibrant. And I do feel like adding maybe a tiny bit of orange to make it a little more coral would be nice. But this is so pretty. I loved the puddle blowout instead. You can let me know whether you like lines or puddles. I think I like this one a little bit better than this one for the blowout, but they are both so cool. Such a different color combination. So many effects in the center there. I love the addition of the turquoise blue too. It's very, very pretty. But yeah, there you have it. Trying a little different color combination. I do think maybe a little bit more coral color would go so well with these colors too, but I definitely like this one. You can let me know what you think. Happy painting. Bye.